Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be how I do my fishtail braids on myself. I actually posted a picture of my fishtail braid on Instagram and a lot of you guys were asking for tutorials, so here it is. The first thing you need to do obviously is make sure your hair is brushed out. It'll be so hard to braid if your hair is all tangled. Then I just split my hair into two sections. It doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of split your hair in half. And this is going to be the basis of the braid. So this braid is really easy to do. Actually, it's just very tedious and it does take a lot of practice. So all you're going to do is take one small section from the left side of your hair and cross it over to the right section. And then you're going to do the exact same thing again. You're going to take a small section from the right side, cross it over to the left, and that is it. So again, a small section from the left and crossing it over to the right. The first section I take is usually bigger, but the rest of them I try to keep them as small as I can. The smaller the sections you take, the more intricate your braid is going to look. I find that when I use bigger sections, the fishtail just ends up looking like a regular braid or almost like a rope, so that's not really the look that I'm going for. I like to use smaller sections and then fluff it out and make it messy later on. Your arms are definitely going to burn. Mine always get tired. In this clip I was actually so sore from working out, and you guys are going to see me suffering in just a second. So of course I'll get to a point where I can't reach or I just can't take it with my arms anymore, so I bring my hair around the front and I just continue the same process. Here it's probably a little bit easier to see, but I'm just taking one section from the left and crossing it over to the right, taking a section from the right and then crossing it over to the left, and I do that all the way down my hair. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to do this braid. My hair is really long, so it takes forever, but with practice it definitely gets a lot easier. Now is the fun part. Before I tie the braid off, I like to just really gently pull out the braid as much as I want. This really helps to make it look thicker and fluffier and a little bit messier. Don't be scared to pull it out too much. As you kind of pull up the braid, it'll even it out a little bit, so just really gently take your time and start pulling the braid out. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is one of my favorite braids ever. I think it's so gorgeous. It just takes so long to do, so I don't do it very often. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one.